Our top developing story, global markets plunge as the US increases tariffs. Taiwan seeks negotiations while nations like Japan, China and Hong Kong have responded. Taiwan announced its readiness to negotiate with the United States on tariffs with a comprehensive plan prepared. Premier Cho Jung-tae confirmed that Taiwan seeks talks and zero tariff proposal, which includes increased US investment and trade barrier removal. Taiwan remains confident tariffs won't harm US relations. Here's what Ho Kyung-wei, Taiwan's foreign ministry spokesperson, had to say.
4月3号之前就已经有相关的代表在美方沟通，所以我希望大家我们尽量把时间能够争取跟世界的其他国家一样，争取到适当的时间，我们绝对有完善的计划，那么有适当的人选可以去做正面的讲。
Meanwhile, Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba urged President Trump to reconsider his tariff policies during a phone call. Ishiba appointed Economy Minister Ryoze Awakaza as a trade negotiator as tariffs threaten Japan's export-heavy economy, potentially reducing growth by 0.8%. Taiwan's benchmark index dropped 3% in early trade following a record fall, with Foxconn plunging nearly 9% and TSMC down over 2% as US tariffs sparked global market panic. Here's what Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba has said.
合衆国に対して措置の認めるなど外交面の取り組みを進めること、私自身も昨年と電話会談を行い、我が国としての考えを伝えるとともに、引き続き率直かつ建設的な協議を続けていくことを確認をいたしたところであります。
Meanwhile, Indonesia is sending Finance Minister Sri Mulyani Indrawati and a high-level delegation to the trade talks in response to Trump's tariffs. Led by Coordinating Economic Minister Erlangga Hartarto and Foreign Minister Sugiyo, the team aims to protect Indonesia's economy from further damage and directly to US officials. Meanwhile, China strongly opposes US threats to escalate tariffs, calling them unilateral bullying. The Chinese Commerce Ministry vowed to take countermeasures to protect its interests if the US moves forward. Despite escalating US measures, Beijing remains defiant, emphasizing its resilience and readiness to outlast the conflict. China views US tactics as self-defeating and its US unilateralism. Meanwhile, Hong Kong leader John Lee criticized US tariffs as reckless and damaging to global trade following a major stock market downturn. While Hong Kong refrained from retaliating, officials emphasized policies to strengthen local businesses and regional collaboration amidst rising market volatility. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rebounded 1.66% after heavy losses, while Shanghai's index fell further. Investors bought and JD.com, which had plunged previously. This nervousness remains as China vows to fight US tariffs. Meanwhile, India's stock benchmarks suffered their worst session in 10 months, dropping over 3% amid a global sell-off sparked by US tariffs, fears of a recession and a significant foreign investor outflows. As global markets grapple with rising tariffs, nations push back, seeking diplomatic solutions to avert further economic damage. In a surprise announcement, US President Donald Trump